Southeast Health welcomed a new chief medical officer. Today, Ileana Capian met with the new doctor to learn more about his medical background and hope for Southeast Health. She joins us live in studio with more. Ileana, good evening.
Good evening, Paige. Well, from Philadelphia to Dothan, Dr. Narby is an Army vet with over 20 years of medical experience that he's sharing with Southeast Health as the new chief medical officer and VP. Dr. George Narby has a background in primary care internal medicine clinical practice. He started his career in New York after graduating from medical school when he was 25 years old.
Well, my story about my healthcare executive experience is really about one thing led to another. My experience in administration began as a young active duty Army doctor, newly minted, and I had roles and responsibilities in my 20s before I was 30 that many doctors don't ever experience in their careers.
Narby says he enjoys managing people and interfacing with other doctors. He says he has a strong, passionate loyalty to the Army, which can be seen in his work philosophy.
I think being a very straightforward communicator, setting expectations, following through, and having accountability are all things that the Army taught me. And I think that I've seen in my short time here that culture is part of Southeast and was brought here by Rick Sutton.
Dr. Narby says he plans to serve the veterans to the best of his ability. Before moving to Dothan, he was working for the TRICARE Overseas program as their global medical director. He has experience handling COVID-19 on an international level that will help him navigate the pandemic in the Wiregrass.
I think that from my perspective as a physician, COVID-19 and this pandemic is a public health issue. And this is about protecting our community, protecting our patients, protecting our medical staff so that they can continue to care for our community. And I think that the best way to manage this is really to follow the science and the evidence.
Dr. Narby looks forward to making the Wiregrass his new home. And Paige, I think Michael Rinker and Mike Gerspan will be happy to hear that Dr. Narby promises to learn all about SEC football in order to survive football season in the South.